Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I am making tiffin recipe. Okay, now let's do it. Bread, egg, carrot, capsicum, tomato, onion and green chilies. Okay, let's chop it. It is full of nutrition recipe. It's finely chopped. Now I am adding 2 eggs. Some salt and black pepper to taste. Now mix. Now dip the bread nicely. And it's ready to fry. One side has been done. Now frying another side.
Jack it up.
Now I am adding some cheese on top of it, and it's ready to serve. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.